It's berry-tastic, tantalizing. I hope we don't use that word in this video. For this recipe, you're gonna need, no, that's not it. We need something to get the people going. Hamza, what do you think?
Tantalizing.
It's a little weird. Jess?
Orgasmic.
For this recipe, you're gonna need sliced French brioche, mascarpone cheese, vanilla, lemon, strawberry jelly, butter, fresh berries, salt and cinnamon, milk, and eggs. All right, let's get started. Let's make this egg batter. Crack your eggs, get them in the bowl. Add your salt and cinnamon. Throw in your milk and vanilla. And whisk away. Like you never whisked before. Set that aside. We're going to make our filling for the French toast. The base is mascarpone cheese. Add some strawberry jelly and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Mix in your jelly and lemon juice. This filling is perfect because it has that touch of sweetness that complements the French toast. If you want it sweeter or a little bit more strawberry, feel free to add more of your strawberry jelly. Time to add your fresh berries, some blueberries and strawberries. Just make sure you leave some for the top of your French toast. Set your filling to the side and let's cook that French toast. I'm using a griddle set to 350. I'm going to lightly butter it. If you're using a frying pan at home, set it to medium-high heat. Use butter, oil, cooking spray, whatever you like. Then I'm gonna soak my brioche in our egg mix. Be generous. I'm gonna place that down. Then you're gonna cook each piece on both sides until they're golden brown. It takes about a minute or two on each side. Hanzo, you smell that?
I smell it.
You better freaking smell it. Ooh, look at that.